Right, we're all set up. Aerial, key, Fiat, doblò, already on there. Gateway 2018, 2021, working on 2019 photos. There's the cable what we connected in there. The gateway cable gives you a little bit of photos, but not too much. There you go. Alright, tips and hints, pre-settings to Delphi. Right, so we've already got a Delphi key. They come in Morelli and Delphi, so we do not need to change that. It's already in Delphi, so that's good. I hate changing that. Don't even know if it works or not, do you know what I mean? Close that unlock button, right, vehicle, connect, immobilizer, connect. There's the working key. Working key. They say working key. Fucking tin foil around it. Connect. Switch ignition on. Got good voltage. Okay. Program keys. Keys programmed to this vehicle must be either a dealer key or pre-coded keys. Keys not can be programmed during this procedure will be deleted and cannot be used again. So if we don't put that one back in, that will never have to be used again. Do you want to continue? Yes. Switch ignition on. We're on. Okay. Do you want to use the pre-coded blank key or remote for this vehicle? Yes. Insert the key into the aerial. Detected. Okay. So now that's making a dealer key. Pre-coding key. Successful. Encoded. Okay. Do you want to program another transponder or smart key? No. Switch ignition on with the first key to be programmed. Take that out. Ignition on. Okay. Do you want to program any more keys? Yes. Remove key in 5 seconds. Put a new one in. Okay. Do you want to program any more keys? No. Switch ignition off. Okay.